In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for a Vrbo property using its property number. This is perfect if someone has shared a listing with you or you've saved a property ID and want to go straight to it without scrolling through endless results. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer and go to the Vrbo website. You'll normally use the search bar to enter locations and dates, but when you already have a property number, there's a much faster way. All you need to do is use a simple URL format. In your browser's address bar, type www.vrbo.com/ followed by the property number. So for example, if the property ID is 1234567, you would type www.vrbo.com/1234567. Make sure the number is entered correctly. No spaces, no extra characters. Once you've typed it in, press enter. Vrbo will now take you directly to that properties page. From here, you can view photos, check availability, read reviews, and see all the details without having to search manually through listings. It's quick, direct, and saves a lot of time. And that's it. That's how you search Vrbo by property number in just a few seconds. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more of my guides. And happy trip planning!